is the face of the vaccines that every American is getting. I want one person to be a Dr. Fauci. I want somebody from Pfizer, who the fuck ever, to stand out crystal clear. Get these doctors. They want to sit there and try to tell us that we don't know the medical information. Get the experts out there, front and center. They need to tell us this goddamn information. They're going to, what, keep it a secret? Why are you keeping medical, scientific information a secret? What the hell's going on here? So, because YouTube wants to try to censor me, because I put Carvavir, which was what Maduro was claiming cured the new COVID-19 variant, in the title, they're going to take it down. So now I can't stop talking about this damn thing. So COVID-19 vaccine, Hungary is going to buy Russia's Sputnik 5 jab because the European Union scheme is just too damn slow. It's too damn slow. So this is not scientific information. This is not medical information. This is political information that I am getting from a website, Euronews.com. And it's written by Euronews, so it's not even an author. Euronews wrote this whole article. So Hungary is buying Russia's vaccine. They said they went ahead and bought 2 million doses of Moscow's Sputnik 5. Sputnik 5 is what Moscow's putting out there. The European Commission says member states can make separate deals with the vaccine makers they are buying from are not already in negotiation with the EU. Expectations were hyped very high, and now we see that the deliveries from the EU scheme are much slower, and they contain much less vaccine than they were supposed to. That's what Hungary's foreign minister, Peter Szijjarto, okay, so and still, some European institutions and bureaucrats continue to attack countries which are looking for different or alternative sources in this regard. It's a matter of life of the people which we have to save. And if we see that the common purchase or common procurement managed by Brussels is too slow, then we've got to secure additional supply for the Hungarian people. Of course you do. Szijjarto complained pharmaceutical companies were delivering more doses to countries outside the European Union. The producer, which has been prioritized by the European Union very heavily, is delivering more vaccines to the United States and to the UK and Israel compared to the actual European Union member states yet. And this is a fact. I think it needs at least to be explained to a certain extent. And we see that the UK using the product of AstraZeneca to vaccinate British citizens. The European Medical Agency has not given its approval yet for AstraZeneca. So if we put AstraZeneca in the titles, that means that's going to need an explanation as well. Hungary hasn't started inoculating its citizens with the Russian jab at the time of the writing. The country has administered around 156,000 doses, covering 1.6% of its population, using vaccines provided under the EU scheme. Many Hungarians remain skeptical about Sputnik 5. A Euronews poll published in November 2020 showed that only 7% of Hungarians would be willing to accept the Russian-made vaccine. So that's, says something. The EMA has so far approved 2 COVID-19 vaccines for use. The EMA in the European Medical Agency. But there's only 2 COVID-19 vaccines for use in the EU that the EMA says. The Pfizer BioNTech one before Christmas and the Moderna jab earlier this month. It's expected to give the green light to the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine this week. The EU is committed to buying 300 million AstraZeneca doses with an option on 100 million extra shots. Late last week, the company said it was planning to reduce a first contingent of 80 million to 31 million. Pfizer has said it was delaying deliveries to Europe and Canada while it upgrades its plant in Belgium to increase productivity. No, that's capacity, production capacity. This is Euronews.com. It's an article that I read off the internet. I don't know if any of it was true. But it's a political thing, and this is just what I am, it's a he said, she said. I saw this person, I read this is what they said. Here's my opinion about it, but fuck. If YouTube's going to be all up people's asses about censorship, I guess I need to make about 10 more videos. I don't know shit about the COVID-19 and the vaccines and all these different trials. I know a little bit, actually. I did a little bit. They did it mRNA. They did it mRNA and then some other shit. So, let's talk some medicine, huh? More medicine talk coming up.